ebe bwambiro babaire babwanira ishomero kurondemwa hamhanda heba kubasa koresa omukoreba ngu abeji bayongera
kandi kindi itwe nka OBs turuho nubwo aberi ishomero ry'umuntu batubira private turangu chukuru munonga itwe nka bashomero kurangu ishomero twar supportinga
the organizers. For today we have started. We are going to make sure we do whatever it takes to have anything good for this school.
Nabayiha Moses ori mukuru w'ishomero hatugizire ngo ishomero rine buri kimwe cyona ngo konke namba yabeji niye kirinke munonga.
Teachers, we have all the resources. What we need now are the numbers.
Urukija ryageraho campuses za bibi Victory Girls Campus then na Neas Gireri ordisha kavuka eyabirerye yabuzo so mbenu ejo divided the attention affected the administration.
Moses nabayihagarikire yaraganisa kuba kwija kukorekera kubasika hamwe n'abashomesa be okugunjura beji ngo bundu bakaba abantu bo mugasho ombwire bwo muisho.
Kuna abana abariya kwabwede bagenda business max ezuza complex ngomyanya n'urugi bakaba kidukufuri indafita.
Muhangozi Newton or Deputy RDC wa Rampara District owashomeyirisha ka Vocational Secondary School hamwe na Kansara Tumuheirwe Adnan barigireyo bayegesa beji bimwe bakubasa gukora kwenda kuba bahanguzi omishomo yabo.
Kavoka leaders, it can still reproduce such great citizens more than the way we were. But the onus is on you.
Whatever that can make your life move from one step to the right to another, and that is confidence. Make sure you're confident in whatever you are doing.
Omojo tugambireho nawe hayorekero kushemerwa habwa OBs na OGs okorgayo bakabahereza amatsuko kuba kwija kwikaje baba bakiri omwishomero ngo habo kuba buri kimwe kiri omwishomero ngo kandi bakaberabamo.
The teachers that told them he helped them reach where they are, so where they are is by him, and he is still with us, meaning the same teachers that taught them are the same teachers that have taught us, and then we shall have a step ahead unto our excellency as they excelled. They were trying to show us where they have reached in life, and then they are reaching in that life because of their school Ishaka Vocational, simply meaning that we shall also excel just like them.
Gasha kwa Olivia na Sasra wa Sky Television agenshonga omurubushenyi.